Hi guys, so we are still talking about text features, and today we are going to be talking about how text features have special fonts. So sometimes the author may do special things with the fonts to make them look different. So one of the things that they may do is they may bold the words. Okay, so when it means to bold, that means words stand out on the page. So authors may bold words in their books, and usually when the author does that, guys, it's because they want you to know that that word is important. A lot of the times when they bold words, it's because that word may be in the glossary. So you're able to go and find the definition of that word. So for instance, in our book, Firefighters, we do have some bolded words like crowbar. And so that's telling me that if it's an important word and that you could probably go back in the glossary and find it. Crowbar, and then there's your definition. So that's kind of what when I see bolded words, I think of, hey, this is probably going to be a word that is going to be in the glossary. Sometimes they italicize it, and that kind of means they make it kind of slanted. So those are words show they're important. And I don't know if I have an example of that or not. It's just another way for the author to show that the word is important. Okay. Sometimes they underline it. And this may mean that words should not be ignored. So like, hey, pay attention to me. I'm going to underline it. This is also important. Sometimes they change it. They put words in different colors to make it easier to see. Or maybe they do that to kind of separate the text from the headers. So in this book, if you notice, the headers are different colors than the actual text. This is actually kind of like a reddish orange color, and the text is black. So it's kind of showing like, hey, I want you to be able to pick out the header easily for you to see, to say, hey, this is a header, and it's telling me that this is what I'm fixing to read. And then the size gives words emphasis. Okay, so again, a header is going to be a lot bigger. It's emphasizing, it's wanting you to know, like, this is a header. We're going to emphasize the header. We want you to, when you look at this page, we want your eyes to go straight to the header, so we know that, hey, our header is History of Firefighters, so I'm fixing to read about the history of firefighters. Okay. So these are just special fonts, different things that the authors might do to the fonts, and basically, guys, it's just showing that these are important, that they're wanting these words or phrases to stand out to the reader. Okay. So just like the rest of the week, you will have a paper that says special fonts. Read a little bit more of information about it and answer the 2 questions. All right, guys.